Welcome back, viewers. Today we are going on a journey into the intriguing world of power, politics and strategy as we explore the life and teachings of one of history's most controversial figures, Niccolò Machiavelli. Machiavelli was born into a world of political turmoil and shifting alliances. His early life was shaped by the intricate web of Italian city-states vying for power. Raised in an environment of political instability, Machiavelli developed a keen sense of the importance of power in maintaining stability. As he got older, Machiavelli entered the world of politics himself. He served the Republic of Florence in various capacities, including as a diplomat. His experiences in diplomacy and witnessing the rise and fall of leaders would become the canvas on which he painted his theories of power. However, political fortunes can be fickle. In 1512, the Medici family returned to power in Florence, leading to Machiavelli's exile. This period of forced seclusion provided him the time to reflect and pen down his observations on power, resulting in his most famous work, The Prince. The Prince is Machiavelli's magnum opus, written as a guide for rulers on the art of acquiring and maintaining power. It's a no-nonsense manual that explores the ruthless realities of political leadership. One of Machiavelli's most famous principles is the idea that the ends justify the means. He argued that leaders must be pragmatic, willing to do whatever it takes to achieve their goals. It's a stark departure from conventional morality. But Machiavelli believed that in the cutthroat world of politics, morality often took a back seat. Machiavelli also introduced the concepts of virtù and fortuna. Virtù is the quality of being strong, cunning, and adaptable, while fortuna represents luck or external circumstances. Machiavelli emphasized the importance of virtù in navigating the unpredictable twists of fortuna. Now, let's bridge the gap between the Renaissance and the modern day. How can Machiavelli's teachings be applied in the contemporary political landscape? Machiavelli's emphasis on pragmatism and realpolitik is evident in the modern world. Leaders today often make decisions based on practical considerations rather than ideological principles, just as Machiavelli advised. He recognized the importance of public perception. In today's age of media dominance, how a leader is perceived can be as crucial as their actual policies. Controlling the narrative becomes a key component of maintaining power. The dynamics of power, as outlined by Machiavelli, still resonate today. Understanding the intricate balance of alliances, the importance of military strength, and the need for strategic alliances remains crucial for modern leaders. Of course, Machiavelli's ideas have faced criticism over the centuries. Critics argue that his emphasis on pragmatism can lead to the justification of unethical behavior and the erosion of moral values in leadership. Leaders today face ethical dilemmas similar to those presented by Machiavelli. Striking a balance between the pursuit of power and ethical governance is a challenge that continues to be relevant in the contemporary political landscape. Machiavelli's legacy is complex, but undeniably his ideas have shaped the way we understand and navigate the world of politics. Whether you find his teachings enlightening or Machiavellian, there's no denying the enduring relevance of his work. Thank you for joining us today on this exploration of Machiavelli and his teachings on power. As always, we encourage you to think critically about these ideas and how they may manifest in the world around us. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.